Hi guys, welcome to. Again.
Okay, don't worry. Go
Welcome
whenever
to-
you're ready.
What's it?
Sit up straight.
Right.
Be excited.
Right.
Be
What?
super excited. Be like happy. Yeah.
What's your welcome to our?
Tech channel.
Welcome to our tech channel.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome to our tech channel. I'm Dishagan Sitapasad. Today I'll be doing the unboxing of the Alcatel 1T 7-inch tablet. Okay, guys, as you can see, the display is 7-inch. While network is 3G. We have a rear camera of 5 megapixel and front camera of 2 megapixel, and 16 gigabyte ROM. Well, 1 gigabyte RAM is on board, and 2,500 millihour, and it's running on Android Oreo, which is Android 8 basically.
Go.
Okay guys, so let's open this bad boy up. This tablet was launched in February of 2018, so it's not a very new spec. However, I am still going to take you through the basic functions of this tablet. Yeah, so let's see what lies ahead. Okay, the box isn't in a very good condition because it was previously open. We had it as a display. However, we will still go through everything that needs to be required. Okay, so let's just put this aside. First, basic service guides. Alright, it comes in nice packaging. Neat, keep it safe. Right. Over here we have our earphones, or we have our charger. Let's see if we just got a adapter. Yep, there he is. Right. Okay, as you can see here, we have a headphone jack, charging port. Charging port is actually placed at the top quite badly. Don't know if all tablets are like that. Here's your back camera. Well, we have your front camera here. Right. Quite big. It's good. I suppose it's good for your Netflix shows, whatever you need to watch, all of that. So as you can see, the screen is a TFT screen, meaning that it's plastic, so you might just want to get a screen guard just to be safe, just in case. Like I said previously, 2 megapixel front camera, 5 megapixel back camera. Unfortunately, no flash. However, I'm sure it still takes great quality pictures. On the side, we see your control panels, your power button, and your volume booster. And on this side, kind of hidden, is your SIM card port. So your SIM card will go there, and your your memory card would go here. However, in South Africa there is a slot for the SIM card, but internationally there is no SIM card slot. Okay, let's power this bad boy up. Ready for it? And there we go, Alcatel screen pops up. The target market would basically be your younger kids, or your elderly grandparents. Reason being, the tablet is only 1 gigabyte RAM, meaning it can only handle one task at a time. Meaning your Netflix, maybe some shows. However, although it's 3G, it can connect to the Wi-Fi, so you still get pretty good Wi-Fi signal on there. Right. So as you can see here, nothing fancy about this tablet. Your basic entry-level tablet. Comes with your basics, all your Google apps, your Google Play stores here. You have all of your basic Google apps here, right? Okay guys, let's just see a little bit about this phone. Come here to settings, systems. You can see a little bit more about this tablet, right? So as you can see, like I said earlier, it's Android 8. Basic entry-level tablet. You can see here you have your security patch level of June 5, 2019, and nothing fancy, nothing special about this tablet. However, it is your go-to tablet. It's affordable, and it's something that would be very convenient and affordable for all of us. Basically, it's what we're looking for. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do like, comment, and share. It costs you nothing, and it'll help the channel grow, so we can continue to bring you some great unboxing. Enjoy!